Okay, love bugs, I finally mastered it. If you've been watching me all this time, then you guys know that I have had so much trouble and struggle when it comes to the leave out. The V parts, and before the V parts there was the U part wigs, and I just feel like a hot mess when it comes to trying to master and get it right. But today I think I finally got it right. So today I've teamed up with UNICE and they sent me over this beautiful 24-inch Yaki straight V part wig. This one is including the drawstring at the nape for a perfect snug fit. It also has combs in the front, one on each side, and then the clips right here as well. So you get double security without the harshness, because sometimes when you have two clips here and two clips here, it's a little bit much when it comes to the tension. This gives you a little bit of relief, especially if you are a thin hairline girl like I am. They put so much detail into this beautiful wig, and again, I have mastered the art. You guys know, I wish I could put a clip in from a throwback of me doing a V part where it just looks crazy up in here. I've been taking care of my hair and doing a great job at just figuring out what is going to make this one work. And again, the perfect formula is in this video. So I'm gonna jump into it. I did leave minimal leave out here, and you can see this here is like my texture, for example. And when you do a little swoop like this, it blends into this beautiful Yaki straight texture effortlessly. And again, my little leave out and my little sideburns that are just my natural hair are the icing on the cake. In this one, you'll also see me style this in a few ways, including a low ponytail as well as my beautiful signature claw clip. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started. Okay, love bugs, and here we are. I do want to put on a little bit of lip liner. I feel like it's been a really rainy day, a really rainy week at that, and my lips have been super trapped in the midst of it all. I know my elbows are really dry too. I wore a sweatshirt today, so I don't think I ever moisturized really except for my face. So let's just do that for the sake of the video, even though I've already done the tutorial, so you've already gotten a peek of it. But get a load of this hair, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that Smell Good baby lotion into my hair just because I like when my hair smells good. But get a load of this. If you have been following me for some time, you know my journey when it comes to the V parts and the U parts has not always been like the best result. Like I haven't had the best of luck, and I think I've finally mastered it and figured it out. Now originally I pulled my hairline or my edges out because I really wanted to do like some wispy baby hair. I was gonna like flat iron it and use an edge control. Then I realized I don't have an edge control here, and it worked in my favor. I just did a little bit of hairspray, and this is a light hold hairspray from Sebastian, and that almost looks better because it complements the wig. Now obviously I have to see what it looks like you know, once I take the pictures and review the video. That's really gonna give me either true, like, do I really like it like this? But so far, like looking in the mirror and through the viewfinder, for this texture of hair, I think this was the best baby hair. And again, I'm a baby hair girl because I do have a larger forehead, so we want to balance that out a little bit and give it just a little bit of oomph. And plus, again, my hairline is very thin, so I want to just give the illusion that everything is everything right there, and I love the way it came out. I even use my own natural sideburns, which this hair is so full that when I bring it forward, you can barely see it. But this even helps me with like pulling the hair back, especially right now while it's raining. You still have a little bit of personality in the sideburns, and then when you do the half up, half down, and that type of thing, I think since my natural hair is out in the front, like I like the sideburns more than the bangs that I do with the lace. But all in all, I love this one. Now this one does come from UNICE, and on their website, when you click the link to this one, you will see that they have this one in a kinky texture and a yaki texture, and they even have, I believe, the yaki in a color. Let me double check. Yeah, they have a kinky and a yaki, and the yaki also has an ombre. The difference for me personally when it comes to the kinky versus yaki, kinky straight usually gives a more fluffy, big, blown out look, whereas yaki straight is like the silk press version where it gives a very similar like African American texture, except it gives like African American texture silk pressed or like blown out or flat ironed. And again, this one gives more of a blow dried effect. So I really like this one. This one is very low maintenance. Believe it or not, I feel like this is probably one of the most low maintenance looks, just because you brush through it, you keep it from getting tangled, and then other than that, you really don't have to straighten it or anything. As you guys seen, when I put it in, I did just end up running the hot comb or the flat iron ever so slightly, but I didn't even need to do it. I just ended up doing so I wouldn't, you guys wouldn't be curious to know, you know, how this one straightens. It gives more of a smooth effect, and the smaller sections you go in, the more silkier you'll get it, but it pretty much will just smooth out what you see here and keep it in that nice blown out texture, which is what I love. And yeah, I don't have any complaints about this one. This one's absolutely a banger. And again, this one does come from UNICE. So really quickly, this is the packaging, and inside we did get a little bit of goodies. So for starters, this one is 24 inches in length, and this is just the baggie that the wig came in. And then from here you did get a pack of the HD wig. And from here you did get a pack of the UNICE HD wig caps, and these are exclusive to UNICE. And then of course we got a melt belt as well, which we definitely don't need a melt belt for the lace because we don't have lace today. I mean, I've seen some people like do their baby hair and they style it up and they'll put this down just to kind of let it set. So that's a great idea, but because I am a lace wig kind of girl, I will keep this ready to go for when I do put my lace on. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.